Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video of my channel. Today in this video I am going to make an image slider using Crossfade Effect. Our slider will be look like this. I have made a video on how to make a basic image slider. You guys watched and loved that video very much. So if you are ready, let's get started. I have opened the Chrome browser here and I search here get Bootstrap, and here I have a link of the Bootstrap website. So I open it and here is the interface of Bootstrap website. Scroll it down to find CDN links and copy the CSS link of Bootstrap, and I have made two files here in the VS Code with the name slider.html and slider.css. So let's link the Bootstrap CSS with our HTML file. I am adding here a link tag and in the href paste that link. Now Bootstrap is linked to our HTML file. Our next step is to add image slider. So for this, scroll down the side navigation bar and in the component section, click on the cursor option. Here all the image sliders of the bootstraps are available. Scroll down to find the crossfade option and here it is. So basically crossfade is an animation effect which provide that type of animation effect. For adding this image slider into our HTML file, copy this code and paste it here. Save the file and click on the go live to see the result. You can see in the browser nothing is appear because we have not added any source of images. So to add images, search here the website unsplash.com. So I quickly add the images in the src attribute of the image tag. Finally, all the images links are added. Save the file to see the result and open the browser. You can see our required result, but it is our not final result. We will improve this more. I forget to add the JavaScript of the Bootstrap in our HTML file. So quickly add this, copy this link and paste it in the script src. Now click on the next button and you can see the result. This is looking good, but it will look more attractive when the images are small and it will look like a professional image slider. So for this we have to apply some changes. Open the code and first I want to remove the class of w100. Select this and click on change all occurrences. Cut this. Save the file to see the result and it is not looking good. We have to add a height and the width of the images. So quickly add this. So I set the height to 450 and width to 500. Copy this height and width and paste it in the other images tag. Save the file and open the browser. It is looking better, but if it will in center, it will look more good. So did the changes for that interface. In the main div, add the class custom and I mistakenly set the width to 500. I set it to 800. Now open the CSS file. Make sure your CSS file is linked to your HTML file before writing any code in the CSS file. You can link your CSS file by adding link tag in the HTML. So I first target here the custom class. I write here dot custom and sets its margin top property to 150 pixel and margin left property to the 300 pixels. This will set the images in the center. Open the browser and here is our required result. It is looking good now. But there is one more issue. Next and previous buttons are not aligned. So write the code for their alignment. In the button tag you can see the class. Copy it and paste it in the CSS file. Set its margin right property to the 135 pixels. This will move the icon to the left. Sorry, we have to add icon with this. So right here. Now the previous icon is at its position. Similarly, copy the class of next icon and paste it in the CSS file and set its margin right property to the 370 pixel. Save the file to see the final result and here it is. Now our slider is looking best. You can use this type of slider in your website. This will give a best experience to the users. You can see our next and previous icons are working, and crossfade animation effect is also working. So that's all for today. I hope you understood how we can make an image slider with crossfade animation effect. Subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.